Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We multiply both sides by y squared. Next, we have y to the power of 3 and first derivative of y with y squared, that is about Bernoulli's equation. So in this situation, I will put about v equals to y to the power of 3. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. Next, this one we change by v, this one we change by this one. Next, we multiply both sides by number 3. Next, we have v and first derivative of v, that is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative number 1 next to v. This is for integrating factor, so I will put negative number 1 gone here. And now we have e to the power of negative s. Next, we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So if we look carefully, this one we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have e to the power of negative s multiplied by v. This one we have negative 38 e to the power of negative s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.